It's good to hear. I got more jokes.
Oh yeah, this will be good.
Yes. Why does a house go to see a doctor?
I don't know, Mike.
Because a house got a window pane.
Oh dear.
I'm thinking about selling in commercial real estate, especially shopping malls.
Oh yeah, why is that?
Because you've seen one, you've seen them all. What do British real estate agents like the most?
I'm not sure.
A property. They like tea.
Oh no.
I'm no photographer, but I can picture you in this house.
We almost done, Mike?
One more. Andrew, if you don't like my jokes, maybe I just go down to the slides. That could be funny.
Mate, I think that's for kids.
It says 5+.